So here we are, first job, a scan for g.aubin. So it's right click to pick up the computer, which we've now got and unboxed, and then we need to take it through into the shop, and walking is actually harder than it looks, I have to say. And we're going to drop it on this workbench where we first looked at our first PC. So left click to place the PC, and then we're going to click on it again to enter the workbench. So virus scanning. This customer wants any viruses removed from their PC. You'll need to have a USB stick loaded with virus removal software. Luckily, you have one in your inventory. So we're going to continue, and we're going to install. So we don't need to take the computer apart. Tools and software. USB drive. Left click on that, and we're going to insert it into the top. So we're going to hold down the right button while we're moving the mouse to rotate, and install the USB drive in there. And then we're going to rotate the camera around and move to the other end of the computer so that we can plug in the cables that we need to use the computer. So we'll grab the USB cable, put that in the USB port. We'll grab the graphics card cable and connect it into there. We'll grab the next USB cable, throw that in there, and finally the power cable. If it's not switching on, check you've got the power cable. So now we need to power on the PC. So we're going to turn around, face the monitor, click it, and press P to power on. Morton Eye. Fantastic. So we've got minus $15 at the moment, thanks to Tim's breakfast. The Omega system. Oh, what a cute doggy. Okay, we're going to double click on Add Remove Programs. Don't double click too fast, otherwise it won't open. And we're going to install app. Left click on the install the virus scanner app. So we're going to click plus. Installs pretty fast, slows down at the end, very realistic, and it's on. So we can close Add Remove Programs and now open the app. Double click to open the virus scanner app. If you double click too fast, like you normally would on a computer, it just does that. You only hear one click and it doesn't open, so you need to click and click again, and then it will open up. Virus scan, left click to run the scanner. So we're going to start scanning. This customer thinks they've got a virus because the computer's running slow, but at the moment there's no sign of it, and we're 20-odd thousand files in. The dog's there, looking nice and comfy in his bed. Ooh, look, it's starting to find viruses. Oh, not just one now. What have you been doing on this computer? 254 infections. That's insane. That is insane. It'd be better with a landscape picture on this desktop, wouldn't it? 254 infected files. Okay, remove dangerous files. The scanner's found lots of infected files. Left click the button to remove all viruses from the PC. So let's clean the files. 254 files. Cleaning. This dog knows something about this. I'm sure of it. What a big bushy tail. Anyway, distracted. We're about coming up to 20 seconds in, and we've got around half of the infected files have been cleaned now. The music in PC Builder Simulator 2 is awesome. I think they've even surpassed the music that was in PC Building Simulator 1. We've nearly cleaned all the files now. It's cleaning it in under a minute. This is good. Success! Your PC is monitored and protected. So now we can exit. Our work is done. We can power it off by clicking the power button. Oh, or not. We're just going to exit, and we're going to right click to pick up the PC, which automatically unplugs everything and take the PC back to the delivery area. So we're going to go way back over here, and we can see all the highlighted spaces for where we can leave the PCs. We click down, it wraps itself, and then we're ready to ship. Great, the PC will be automatically sent back to its owner. Now you just need to collect your pay, go to your email and hit collect. So continue, it's all packaged and labelled nicely now, scanned for g.aubin. Security tape is back on. We'll go back to our PC now, which is here. Click on that, double click on our email. This double clicking takes a little while to get used to. And the g.aubin email, g.aubin@cricketnet.com. So they originally sent, hello, I went to get my PC fixed at your shop but found only an empty space and a pleasantly smoky aroma. I gather that you're no longer in business at that address. A passing firefighter did tell me you were opening a new workshop nearby, so I thought I'd drop you an email to see if you're still taking on repair jobs. My computer has been very slow lately, and I fear it might have a virus of some sort. You fear correctly. 240 odd to be certain. Could you please take a look and sort it out for me? Best wishes, g.aubin. So labour was $120, parts budget is $0, that'll pay for the breakfast, give us some profit, collect your pay, left click on the collect button to complete the job and receive your payment. Collect! Woohoo! That's the sound of money dropping in our accounts. We've paid for the breakfast, we're now in profit. We've removed viruses, the PC can boot the OS. 120 in labour, no parts, so total 120 and profit of 120. We love 100% profit margins. So we press OK now. First job is complete. The PC is on its way back to the customer and you've been paid. Hurrah! On to the next job. The other PCs on the workbench are now available, so check out your emails, see what customers want and complete their jobs to earn some extra cash. Results! So we've finished our first job on PC Builder Simulator 2, the open beta. If you haven't got it already, make sure you head to the Epic's Game Store and get it. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe for some more PC Building Simulator 2 videos. See you later!